Do you want to add a green screen animation like this on your video in Adobe Premiere Pro? Keep continue watching this video. I want to show you how to add a green screen subscribe reminder animation on your video in Adobe Premiere Pro just in 1 minute. Very good. Welcome to a new tutorial. In Adobe Premiere Pro, we want to put green screen animation on our video. For example, this is my previous video on YouTube, and I want to add this green screen animation, subscribe reminder animation on my video. Okay, drag and drop your animation in the timeline above the video, and you can change the size and scale of this green screen animation. In order to that, click on Effect Control after clicking on the green screen animation in timeline, and after that change the value of scale from here. As you can see, I can control the size and scale of green screen animation, and double click on it to change the position of that. And then if you want to remove the green color from this animation, you should use Ultra K effect. Okay, go to Effects tab and click on this green screen animation, and in this part, in the edit box, search for Ultra Key effect. Ultra key. Okay, drag and drop the Ultra Key to Effect Control and pick the color from here. Okay, after that you will see the result. I click on play. Yes, that's right. As you can see, it's done, and we can add every green screen animation on our video in Adobe Premiere Pro.